Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Unsay diferensya sa bribery and extortion? Let's relate this to our department or in school setting. Both involves corruption, but the law treats them differently. Tara, let's talk about this. Bribery under Article 210 of our revised penal code states that bribery happens when a public officer accepts money or favors in exchange of performing or not performing a duty. There is a mutual agreement between the offerer and the public officer. For example, a teacher applicant or a teacher wanted to be promoted offers money to the public officer in exchange for a placement to be hired or to be promoted. And the public officer accepted that offer. While extortion, on the other hand, is robbery under Article 293 of the revised penal code. It involves intimidation or threat to force someone to give money or property, like example, car or yuta. Example, a school or DepEd official demands money from the applicant, threatening them na kung if di sila mabayad, they will not be hired or be promoted. Kani siya na distinction was backed up by our jurisprudence or a case decided by the Supreme Court in Remolano versus People in 2021. Kani siya na kaso, a traffic enforcer was caught or apprehended by the police. Si Supreme Court ning decide na since walay nakita na intimidation, the case will be bribery but not extortion. So muna importante ni siya na atong maklaro ang distinction between the two. Kung naaga intimidation, extortion na siya. But kung mutual agreement ng gali, that's bribery. In closing, bribery undermines fairness. Extortion creates fear. If naagi ni siya sa atong department, this both destroy the trust in DepEd. So let's uphold integrity so that ang future sa atong mga maestra will be protected. So this has been Attorney Ken Norway B. Marsado saying, let's continue to empower our community with knowledge, dignity, and justice. So if you want to learn more videos about Philippine and educational laws, please follow, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.